What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today, we're doing a couple things a little bit different from normal. We're not actually fixing anything, so that's normal. But we gotta... You hear laughs in the background. You're wondering who's back there. Let me show you. Okay, so you guys know Monkey Wrench Mike. He's in the house. You know Nick. He doesn't have a YouTube channel. But we got a new guy here. Although he's not new. He's new to us, but he's been around for a while.
Been around the block.
You're a fellow Oklahoma YouTuber.
Yes, sir.
And you got a few subscribers of your own.
Yep, yeah, we sure do.
70-some thousand?
Getting close, getting close.
Sounds like you got a good channel.
Yes, sir. Truck Central.
Truck Central. So I wonder what you do on your channel.
Well, we pretty much document the lifespan of the high mileage Ram, but we also do some install videos. We feature other Chevys, Toyotas, Fords, you name it. We review it. And today, we're going to do a little bit something else, I guess. Luckily, Monkey Wrench Mike donated his very nice Escalade for us.
Thank you, Mike.
Very nice, he said. Very nice. He hasn't looked at it too close yet, but that's okay.
So we decided to do a little comparison thing, but that's not what my video is about. My video is to tell you that he's got a crazy high mileage 2019 Ram 1500, just like mine.
Not the high mileage
Just
part.
without the high miles. You got the air suspension.
Yep.
It's the 5.7 Hemi. You got the same wheels. You got the Ram box, though. Kind of jealous of that.
Oh, they're so good.
Kind of jealous of the Ram box, honestly. And I like the color. The color is really nice. You got how many miles on this one?
We are at 239,000 miles.
239.
Almost 240. Or, sorry, 229. Almost
229 on a 2019.
Yep. Yep. It's very similar to yours. I think the only differences are the Ram boxes. I've got the sunroof. You don't have the sunroof.
Nope. E-torque.
E-torque, and you've also got the tow mirrors, which I'm jealous about.
Oh, yeah. I've never used them, but I keep forgetting I have them.
Man, those are so nice. And being that your truck with the e-torque, and I guess you've got the 392 gears, you can tow almost 13,000 pounds, where I'm in like the 9s.
I don't have 392s.
You don't?
No.
Oh, but you still got 12,000 tow rating, right?
Yeah. It's plenty for what I do.
Yeah.
So you came up with an idea. I actually found this guy looking at videos about my truck before I was going to buy one. I found his channel and I started watching his videos, and he's a big part of the reason I decided to go ahead and bite the bullet on one too, because you don't just pavement princess your truck.
No, sir.
You actually use it like a truck's meant to be used.
Yep. She's a workhorse.
It's been very reliable for you so far.
Yep. No serious maintenance. I'm on the factory brake pads, factory transmission fluid. Just change the oil, put some spark plugs in it once, and just drive it.
That's a hell of a truck, man.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So I said, man, we got to get together and do something. And he came up with a great idea. We're going to take his 229,000 mile truck, and we're going to haul Monkey Wrench Mike's, what is that, 5,000-ish?
5,641 pounds. I just Googled
God.
Right.
Okay. So almost 6,000 pound truck, 2,000 pound trailer. We're going to haul it with his truck. How many miles do you think? We're going to go the same direction one way and then come back.
Yep.
How many miles do you think it will give us a good baseline?
Right, 10 miles?
10 miles. Okay, 10 miles. And then we're going to come back and we're going to do the same thing with mine. And we're going to kind of just see how a 229,000 mile truck feels and compares to a brand new one. And I'm willing to bet, I'm just going to throw it out there, I'm willing to bet there's no difference. I'd bet money.
I hope not.
I'd bet.
Because I don't want to buy a new truck.
Well, if you want to, I got the connections over at David Stanley in Midwest City. Shameless plug to them for always selling me all kinds of maintenance plans that I don't use. No, I'm kidding. They're good people over there. But here's the deal, guys. I'm actually here doing something with Monkey Wrench Mike today. His video is going to be the head-to-head comparison between his basically 250,000 mile truck and my brand new truck, and we're basically going to reset the trips and everything, see what kind of fuel economy both of them get from the same distance, doing the same drive with the same towing and everything behind it. And yeah, so go check out his channel. I'm going to put a link below. It's Truck Central.
Truck Central.
And this is Justin. So definitely go check him out. Highly recommend you do, because I bought my truck because of him. I also bought my bed cover because of you, and I also bought my truck bed liner. Yeah, and the tires, I'll be getting those as soon as I've watched quite a few of your videos, man.
Awesome. Thank you.
So it's good to have you on the channel. Go check them out, and we're gonna come back when it's time to do a head-to-head comparison between Escalades.
Yeah. What have you bought because of me?
An Escalade.
Nothing.
I have an Escalade.
One Escalade.
And bikes, e-bikes, lots of. Well, I don't buy those; those are free. But still,
I'm jealous right now.
your truck is the star. Well, no, your truck is the star of the show right now. But your truck is a close second, Mike.
It's so far.
It's
down
a close.
the line.
Without your truck, this wouldn't even be happening.
Oh, well, okay, good way to put it.
See? All right. Let's do this, guys. Like I said, go check him out if you want to see this head-to-head comparison between the two trucks. I'm going to watch it because I think it's going to be really interesting. Nick, are you driving?
Yeah.
No kidding. You're about to get your license.
About to.
Soon.
Pretty soon.
Yeah. And you might have to find you a really slick Fox body, right?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. So I'm just going to film you. Go ahead. I'm just letting him have at it, man. It's a yard. He knows how to hit the brakes.
I don't think I have enough to clear to turn around.
Well, if you can't turn around, you may have to try backing up. That's a big step for a new driver.
I'll try that.
Yeah, give it a shot. What you can do is just pull up over here, get yourself turned.
Did that a little bit too far?
You're fine. Whatever you're comfortable with.
Yeah, I don't think I can clear this on either.
Well, then just put it in reverse. Back up and turn the wheel. You'll pull the shifter towards you and up until it clicks into reverse. That's probably one down. You went 2 down. Right there. There you go. That's reverse. Turn your wheels until you're comfortable, and then you can drive back into the other side of the yard if you want to. Boy, he is happier than a pig in you know what. It's a big deal for a kid to be trusted to drive a vehicle, especially something big like this. And I know some of you are going to say that I'm a horrible person for letting him drive this big beast by himself, but I trust my kid. I know my kid. I do. If I didn't think he could handle it, believe me, he wouldn't be behind the wheel. He's a good kid. He works hard. He gets good grades. He's responsible. Rarely causes any problems. And hey man, you got to learn to drive sometime. And I promise you, this is something he'll remember for the rest of his life. For the rest of his life, he will remember that I used to let him get behind the wheel of a car and practice driving around the yard. May not seem like a big deal to most people, but to a kid that's learning how to drive, it's a big deal. He's doing good. There he goes. Hit that gas. Yeah. There he goes. He's got some confidence. The kid is backing up. He's reversing. Look at him. Oh. I thought you was going to try to park it, Nick. Yeah, I think you got it. You want to try to park it?
No.
I'll spot you. Go ahead. Go ahead. Dude, you've got it. I'm telling you. Just keep going backwards. You're already there. No, keep the wheel turned like you had it. You're good. Just keep turning the wheel a little bit. Right there. Right there. Keep going. Keep going. You're fine. I'm letting you know you're doing a good job. You've almost got it. Keep going. Don't sweat it. Don't even sweat it. Just keep going backwards. Straighten your wheels up. Other way. Keep going backwards. You're about to do your first parallel parking in reverse. Well, it's not exactly parallel park, but go ahead. Go ahead. You got it. You got it. Turn your wheels the other way. Just a hair. Go ahead. Go ahead. Easy, easy. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're almost parked. You're like right there. Just finish it. Gentle on the gas. Gentle. There you go. Keep going. Stop. Nick, you just parked. Backwards. You did it, dude.
Not well.
It doesn't matter. You didn't have to do it well. You parked it between 2 cars and you did it going backwards in a ginormous vehicle.
That was pretty stressful.
It is
I
stressful.
pressed it gently and then it about launched me back.
You gotta learn. Every car is different. Every one of them responds differently, and it just takes some time getting used to them. But I'm proud of you, man. You really did. You did a great job.
Thank you.
Now, if you want to pull it up over by the truck, you're more than welcome to take it. Pull it up over by the pickup truck, and and we'll get on with the review with Mike's Escalade. Well, guys, this was interesting. I can't give away too much because I sure don't want to spoil the videos. But there's going to be some interesting content. I didn't bring my camera, so I didn't get to film any of it. But there's going to be plenty of content on Monkey Wrench Mike's channel because his Escalade and direct head-to-head with my Escalade, well, the results, well, we all expected those results, I think. I don't really know. It was...
Emasculating is a good word.
It was something.
I'm embarrassed.
You're embarrassed?
I'm embarrassed about my little car there, yeah.
If you had to pick a winner, which would you pick, mine or his?
Go ahead.
It's really tough.
I think Randy's. I think Randy's wins for sure.
Okay.
The brakes are good. You know.
That's good.
It goes and stops.
Yeah,
So
that's overrated.
What do you think, Nick? This one? I don't know.
I'd vote for this one too myself, so yeah.
Well, after this epic journey that we just took in his Escalade there, all I'm going to say is you really need to watch the videos because I was driving. That was great. And I think my reaction was on point with...
It's never happened before.
No. I've had a lot of firsts in that Escalade. My first time I ever drove through someone's fence.
Yeah.
Yeah, the first time when I hit the brakes and it tried to take me to a mailbox, one of your neighbor's houses. That was a first.
Yeah.
And today there were a few more firsts with the Escalade. So I highly recommend you go check out. I think you may have got a little footage. Did you get a little bit of?
Yeah.
There's a little bit of footage there. There's a lot of footage here. So like I said, go check these two guys out. I'm gonna have a link below this video. If you don't know, this is Monkey Wrench Mike, and if you also don't know, this is Christopher Tatum.
I don't even know who that is.
I don't either. I think I just put two names together random. This is Justin from Truck Central. And I'm going to have links to these guys down below. And then Nick over there. What's your YouTube channel, Nick?
Don't got one yet.
Oh, man. You are slacking, dude.
All these cars.
I guess it's trying to keep up with all those grades.
Yeah.
School's got to come first. You can play around with YouTube later, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, go check these guys out, guys. And I guess I am going to get out of here. Until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.